Hey, check it out guys, postie spin, brand new Traxxas Rustler VXL. No idea what VXL stands for, very extra leery perhaps. And to kick things off, got a wheelie trolley and a slightly better front bumper. So let's get this open. Shiny, awesome car. There we go, Traxxas Rustler. I've got these because I just keep seeing it being particularly tough, bashing all day long, and just still working end of the day. So I thought it was time I joined the club. 2S, no one's going to run 2S, are they? First things first, nice front bumper, wheelie trolley. I'll do it. I'm trying to see how close to 70 miles an hour this will go. Come on, so hold on, get warmed.
It's snowing.
Cool. There we go, correct plug fitted. I suppose now we better put a battery in it and make sure it works. So the next most important thing, after making it work, is going to be stickers. There we go. One Rustler, ready for some weekend fun. You don't need an unboxing video, YouTube's full of them. There's my awesome new Traxxas, ready to get dirty. All I need now is for it to stop snowing.